Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Cancerians. Hangman, okay. Let's see what are the energies of the person you are dealing with. Okay, so we have the High Priestess on your person's side, the most likely outcome of the situation. Okay, the Eight of Cups. Okay, so things are stagnant, not moving forward for some reason. Maybe you yourself are voluntarily giving it time. Maybe you want to think about it more. Maybe you are trying to have a clearer perspective as to what's going on, what's in their mind. Maybe for some reason, maybe you're not sure. So there is something which is holding you back. There is something which is causing stagnation of this relationship, and things are not moving forward, at least for now. As far as your person is concerned, we have the High Priestess. So they are also not taking any action. You're also not taking any action. You really don't know what's going on their side, and this person is trying to be in touch with their intuition and trying to listen to their inner voice. Somehow what I feel here is that this person is, how to put it, I don't know. This person either is too much in their head. This person either is too much in their head. It can be positive or negative, I don't know. It can be, maybe this person has strong willpower or something of that sort, or maybe this person is too dominating, not dominating exactly, but too uh, rigid or stubborn in their beliefs, whatever they think. But it's their strong brain, something of that sort. And it is, and if needed, this person has the capability to even, they won't do it as such, but I don't know, it may be applicable for some of you. But this person has the ability to, those qualities of a Taurus, actually, of that bull or something like that. They have the capacity to hurt you if, it's like keep away from me. The message is like, stay away from me, don't mess with me. Yeah, that is the, you can put it like that. This is a person who is very, either they are high-headed, can be one thing. Maybe this person is dominating, maybe they're too much in their head, they think too much. Or maybe, but this person has the capacity of don't mess with me or I'll see you type of a thing. For some of you it can be that also. It's a strong person that way, if you put it positively. Not if they have their own boundaries, maybe it can be that stuff also. Not keeping people at a distance, very introvert, can be that also. It's that type of a person. Okay, and for the Eight of Cups here, as a most likely outcome, leaving something behind. What that is, we'll see what that is. But yes, something is being left behind. What it is, let's see. Maybe the inaction is being left behind because there is no action right now, and maybe then some action is being taken in the progress of the relationship, can be that also, or maybe leaving something else behind, but something emotional which was important. Let's see. But whatever is being left is something which is of no good, in search of something which is more meaningful and good. It's like stepping up that way. Let's see. Let's see. Why is this hangman here on your side, Cancerians? So for the hangman, we have the Ace of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, the Justice, and since I saw this, I'll put it, the Queen of Wands. Okay. So let's clarify the High Priestess on your person's side. So for the High Priestess, we have the Temperance. Yes, the Queen of Swords. Temperance, the Queen of Swords, and the Page of Cups. And the Chariot. Okay. So let's see, why is this, what is this Eight of Cups as the most likely outcome? Let's clarify this Eight of Cups. So for the Eight of Cups, we have the Seven of Cups, oh, the Ten of Wands, the Page of Wands, and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay. So as far as you are concerned, Cancerians, there is a new beginning definitely here. There is a new beginning. You are trying to balance things now, healing, focused on self-healing, giving time to yourself. Since you have a new beginning and you really want to achieve that balance in this new beginning, whatever this is, you are focusing on your self-healing. You are really taking that rest, doing meditation, whatever you feel is right for you, but you are trying to keep away from any mess or anything which would hurt you. You want to be cool, calm, and composed. You really want to be in your own cocoon. You really don't want anyone to mess up with you. Okay, you really want whatever this new big, and that is why you are not taking any action. You are focusing on yourself basically. As I said, it can be a voluntary decision because you want right now to focus on yourself. You want things to be balanced in your own life, and with the Queen of Wands there, it's like it's all about you're focusing on self empowerment basically. You're focusing on self empowerment because you want things to move forward in a balanced way now with this new beginning. So whatever this new beginning is, or you are taking a new beginning in your life in whatever sphere, you want it to be a balanced approach. You want things to be okay. You want, that is why you're focusing on your own healing. You're focusing on your own self-worth, and you are doing it beautifully, and you are doing it successfully also with the Queen of Wands. As far as your person is concerned, for the High Priestess, we have the Temperance, the Queen of Swords, the Page of Cups, and the Chariot. So what, again, this person is also trying to, maybe they are just waiting patiently and they are thinking logically. It can be that also. Maybe they are giving you that time because the Queen of Swords and the Page of Cups, they feel right now they are not able to reach you, they are not able to attain you or something of that sort, but they are thinking logically about it. As I said, this person is it's too much in their head, so maybe that is what it is. It's a logical thinking, but then they are trying to balance the situation, and they are maybe sort of behaving cold or detached, can be that also. Or maybe this person is trying to play play tough or play unattainable. Okay, it's okay, I'm unapproachable, unreachable type of a thing, because I'm saying that because of what I'm seeing is the most likely outcome. Because of that I'm saying, because what I feel here is that But this person is trying to balance the situation. They are thinking logically, and yes, there is something which is enticing them also. There is something which is capturing their, has caught their eye and caught their heart, and they really want to move fast in that direction. Somehow, what I feel is in between both of you, it's the Eight of Cups leaving something behind. So I think it is a phase of confusion with the Seven of Cups. There is some sort of a confusion and all, but then yes, with the Ten of Wands, I see you ending this cycle. Somebody here is moving out for something which seems to be more passionate or more attractive to them, and that is what they are ready to put in their work or effort in. So maybe since somebody here, you are not taking any action, you are not focusing on them, you're focusing on your own self. This person, maybe they start thinking logically about it, and they get somebody, maybe they find somebody more attractive, or somebody who skips their beat, and they want a rapid movement in that direction, and that is why somebody, after being in a state of dilemma and confusion, decides to move out. That's what I feel. Let's see what is the message from this deck. Simple acts of kindness. Number 5 may be of some significance for you. Simple acts of kindness. Kindness energizes you and brings happiness to those around you. So just take it as it resonates. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope it helps. Bye. Thank you.